How are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Masi Kirui, and today we'll be baking the banana bread or the banana cake. And the ingredients you need is 4 ripe bananas, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt, 2 beaten eggs, 1.5 cup of all-purpose, half a cup of vegetable oil, and half a cup of sugar, any sugar, brown, white, half a cup. The preparation is roughly 10 minutes and the baking is 30 minutes. So before that, we need to preheat our oven for 10 minutes. I'll set it at 40 minutes because we'll be baking. You need 175 degrees or 180. Let me do 180. And of course baking. As the oven preheats for 10 minutes, we'll be mixing all the ingredients and then we'll bake for 30 minutes. I almost forgot, you need a teaspoon of vanilla essence, just a teaspoon. Mash your bananas to a smooth paste. After mashing the bananas, add in the vegetable oil. You can also use margarine or any butter. In fact, it tastes better with any butter. You can use roughly 150 grams of the butter. Mix them well. Add the baking soda. Just a teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm just using a fork, but you can use anything that you find it's easier for you. Add a pinch of salt, just for some taste. Add the 2 beaten eggs and continue mixing. When you add an ingredient, make sure you mix. Now we need to add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence before we add the dry products, that is the sugar and the all-purpose flour. That's the vanilla essence. It gives the taste of the cake. Continue mixing well. Now you can add your half a cup of sugar. So remember, we're doing it Kenyeji style. These are tools you have in your house. You don't have to stress yourself by white, brown. It's sugar. Just add half a cup of sugar, depending on the quantity of the cake you're making. Now feel free to add the 1.5 cup of all-purpose. You can add little by little, but mine is a small cake. Just add all of it. Continue mixing. Now to get a really smooth paste, I'm shifting from the fork to using this wooden spoon or the muiko. I want to mix it until I get a really nice smooth. That is the paste, the final paste. So I'll put it on the oven. So the preparation time was roughly 5 minutes. It didn't take more than 5 minutes. Now, after that, I need to grease my baking tray. Just grease it with glue band or marge, any marge. Because I don't have the baking tray sheet, I'll just do it direct on this tray. The mixture looks a bit big. I love to share to a small place or some cupcakes. We'll just see. Putting the cake on the mixture, the paste, on this tray of mine. It's a bit big. I'll retain the mixture for a small sufuria. So that's it. Remember, the oven is still preheating. Just now need to put it for 30 minutes. I'll bake it for 30 minutes, but I'll put the two together. Remember, kidogo ilibaki hapo. I'll put the two together in a small sufuria. That's the small remaining paste in the sufuria. I didn't want it to overflow sana on the tray. Now let's get it to the oven. The oven is really warm. Put it in the middle. There. The two. I don't know if you can see. My oven is a bit dark. The lighting isn't that good. I'll see you in 30 minutes. Let's check if it's ready. The feel nice now. Just use a toothpick to check the middle. Still stuck. A few minutes. 30 minutes into the thing. The small one is ready. This one is ready. The big one, it gives another 10 minutes to make it 40 minutes. I want to cool it off. There. We'll let it cool it off sometime. Just a small flat cake. That's it. I'll give him a baby girl. See how spongy it is. See? Very soft. With the additional 10 minutes, let's check if it's ready. There it is. Let me test with my toothpick. Yep, clean. It's clean. So it took 40 minutes to bake it. That's it. Now wait it for it to cool down and ready. There you go. Thanks for watching. Watch our other content. Support us. Subscribe, like, share, comment. We will really appreciate. Bye bye.